Hey, this is Robert here again at Goozy Fabrication. Today we're going to do a little project, a DIY project involving a new tool that's just hit the market. Now this is an inexpensive tool and this is really going to up your capability in your home shop. Can't wait to show you what it is. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm really excited about sharing today's video with you. This is something that I've always wanted. Now, let me start with the question. What if I ask you, hey, if you could build a DIY inexpensive brake press that's capable of bending a 1/4-inch plate for your home shop, what would you say? Well, I'm going to say yeah. Now, this is the DIY project. I have a shop press already. Now, this came from Harbor Freight. I've had this quite a few years. Uses a standard 20-ton bottle jack. Now this is a manual type. Let me show you the new tool that is out. This has only been out a few months, I think. A 12-inch shop press brake attachment specifically for a shop press. Here's a shot of it in the box. Here's what it says it will do. And I've got some coupons set up. Now these are 1/4-inch plate, 2-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch. We're going to get this out, set up, and bend these, see how this little machine does. Now, I watched a video, and it was very impressive. Plus, we're going to upgrade this thing by getting away from that manual jack and doing a 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack in place of that standard hydraulic jack, the manual one. Okay, so $159. I had a coupon, $89. Now I don't remember what the shop press cost. Wasn't that much. That is a very inexpensive hydraulic brake press. And to give your shop the capability of bending a 1/4-inch plate, wow. Nice. Let's get the press brake put together. Here's what comes in the kit. Really nice, heavy duty parts. Wow. I mean, wow. Man, Harbor Freight knocked it out of the park on this one. Let's get this thing put together. Wow, there it is. Man, I've been waiting a long time for a press brake. Very impressed, Harbor Freight. Wow. Let's get it in the shop press. Wow, this thing looks awesome. Let's try it out. Okay, so we've got our coupons. We have a couple of 2 inches, a 4 inch, and a 6 inch. Now with this die, this will go just past 90 degrees. And that's usually what we're going to be bending at. It'll go 90 or less, but 90 is going to be the maximum. Hey, so this is the handle that comes with the new bottle jack. Now it is shortened, but it's still kind of a pain to get this thing in here because it's hitting. I made this little guy, and this is going to work really well. We can get in there, get access. It's going to make it real easy to loosen and tighten. So first up, our piece of 2 inch, 1/4 inch plate. Nah, sweet. That is sweet. Okay, up next, 4 inch. Okay, so now this is a 4 inch. We probably went just past 90 on that, but it's a 4 inch piece of 1/4 inch plate steel. Wow. Man, this thing is going to be awesome for the shop. Yeah. So let's look at the quality of the die. There's some just light scuff marks, but it's not imprinted or indented. Nice quality. Now this is a 6 inch piece, 1/4 inch plate. Let's see what happens. Wow, that is so impressive. I can't believe that. Wow, that is a 6 inch piece of 1/4 inch plate steel. We've done a 90 on it. How many times have I been fabricating and this would have come in so handy? Wow, how much does a piranha or a iron worker cost? Yeah, this is so much less than that. To have this capability. Now this is 12 inches wide. And there's a rating chart right on the side of the brake. Now we're at the top of a 6-inch wide, 1/4 inch for mild steel. That tells you can do aluminum, mild steel, stainless steel, and what width and thickness you can do. But I mean, wow, I am so stoked. How many times could this have been a game changer for not a lot of money? Like I mentioned, I already had the press brake, added the $89 hydraulic pneumatic bottle jack, and then this little jewel, $159. So all of you guys who talk smack on Harbor Freight, well, you better rethink things. Hey, and I just want to say thank you to all of my followers, subscribers, and those people donating on coffee or buying me coffee at coffee.com. Thank you. You're making these videos possible. And as always, thank you for watching. Hey, if I'm providing solid, useful content, you can help support the channel. Buy me a coffee, coffee.com/Guzzi Fabrication.